Today we're gonna be talking about packing up, going away for the weekend, and the supplies that you're gonna need with you if you decide to do some painting. This weekend we have a wedding, and we thought it's a long weekend, so we thought we're gonna extend it a little bit and have some time. Sorry, the wedding is at the beach, so we have to travel a little bit. So we decided to stay there, and I think I might be able to do some painting over there. So what I decided to take with me is my. You saw me how to make this pack. It contains 2 sketchbooks, a palette, and a pencil case. So I think I'm fine with papers, these ones, and also panoramic. So I think I will be fine with papers in general. I might take a couple more in case I have extra time, but I think that would be plenty. And then in my pencil case, I have a white pen, a black fine liner, a pencil with some rubber, the kneadable rubbers, and like a kind of stick to make marks. Of course, my refillable brush. It is a small fine tip one. Just take off this and you screw it on and it's ready. Some earbuds that it's good for dabbing and creating textures. A white crayon, wax crayon. It is great for masking if I don't have handy my masking fluid. A sponge for creating a different texture. A paper clip it is always handy. A couple of brushes. This is size 6. I won't take it out from the plastic. Maybe. No, it's okay. It's a fine tip. I think that would... Oops. That's the thing, once they come out, you have to be careful that you don't... okay. I shouldn't be doing that, but it has to go through this tube anyway. And the same, this one, this bigger mop, size, what size is this one? It has, can't see it, I think it's rubbed off. Anyway, it is a kind of medium mop, and because I decided to take a leave-in masking fluid on the side, I'm bringing this tool here to help me put the masking if I need to, and a couple of plastic scrapers for different marking if I need to do, and that's all I can fit in this little section here, because I think it's quite a bit. So I'll just make them flat. And see now, there is this always, because once they fit, it closes, then it's a little bit of a challenge once I take them out, because I fit too many things. Okay, so there's my pencil case, and then for as you've seen this before, I have chosen 6 primaries, like 3 warm and 3 cool primaries, a gouache, And then I have put some extra colors that they're pretty difficult to, or they're handy, but not difficult, but they're handy to have in the palette. And then I've got this damage brush, which is great for grass or whatever, maybe waves to make the foam. So yeah, I'm gonna just skip this one, and it was damaged, and then I will make another video to show you how to make it. If you have an old brush that it doesn't give you any more good tip, you can create something like that. Anyway, this is going to be another time we'll discuss it. And my wells. Also, what else I've done here is I've added at the back of my book, I have added some paper towels, so they're ready there to go. And here I will be I saw you before on other video that I can just hook here my my water container like this. This is from my little bird's feeder. It's handy for the water, and this is also great if you don't have paper towel or you don't know where to rest it. Just have it there, and you just dry up your brush here. So this is what I have packed to have in my swimming bag, actually. When I sit out at the beach, maybe I'll have some inspiration to do some little drawings. So this is the main packet that I have decided to take. Then because I'm not sure what I am going to expect where we're going, I thought to have handy also my extra mini palette that I've shown you how to make. Again, I have chosen 3 warm, 3 cool primaries and mixing space, black or Payne's grey, and some gouache. Here I've got a little my little sketchbooks that can go this way or this way. I can open now. This they open horizontal too, like this. So it depends what I decide to draw. I can paint this way or that way. Now if I have like 5 minutes and it's like to do just a little mini sketch, so I'll put this one in my stash too. And the other thing that I want to show you is if I have extra time, like, and I did this. I went the other day at the secondhand store and I found these folders. So I thought that they were pretty cool for just $4 Australian. It's kind of nothing, and I thought that they're pretty steady for my to put some to do some drawings or painting. So I've got this pad that has only 4 papers left, and it is great because I don't think I'm going to be making more than that in those couple of days. So it fits perfectly in here, so I can have it. I could have a decent area to paint. So I will add a masking tape and a masking fluid, and it's got a spot here, so I can just put there it is. I think I've done them. Maybe this one fits. Yeah, that belongs to this one. So I've got these brushes that they actually you can fill them up with water, so I'll just fit that one here in case I need something like that. And then I can always add this here And for mixing space, I found this, I don't even remember what this packaging is from. So I just put a paper clip here at the back, and I just clip it here. And all of a sudden I have great mixing space here. I've got my palette here, and if I want, I can just add some more colors from this one. I can add this one here and a sponge here, and I'm again ready to go and make like an A5, a good decent painting. And then I can close this like this, and it stays all clean. Nothing will escape from, no colors will escape if I have left them. So I thought that with those three little things that I have created, I'm giving myself lots of options, lots of flexibility to create 5-minute sketches or something on the go, like really quick and easy sketch that and I have everything with me in this little package. Or if I have extra time at the hotel, I might just have something else to set up a little bit bigger, if I have maybe an hour or an hour and a half. So that is what I'm intending to take with me. There we are. And now in terms of brushes, I've got those, they're very inexpensive. I got them from AliExpress. They come in sets of 5 or sets of 7. They're synthetic. They're pretty decent for small, and then I've got this one's a little bit, I think this one's a synthetic squirrel, I'm not sure. They have a little bit finer point. So I've got this one's kind of mixing and blocking, and this one's for more details. I've got a bigger one for wash if I need to, and that's about it. That's all I will need to take with me. So I found this little pouch, and I just put them all in, all the small bits, and can even put in there my earphones and my recharger. That's essential. We cannot go anywhere without that. And here it is, all my starts for the weekend. I think I've got quite a good selection. And oh, did they have a spray little bottle there? Oh yeah, and also I've got a little spray bottle here. That's that mini one. Yep. So, is it working? Yeah, it's working perfectly. And the little mini spray bottle, that's I'm doing a lot of spraying to wet my papers. So yeah, I think that's it. I've got everything. And hopefully I will find some time to so then I put them all in here, and I'm totally ready. Yeah, I've got lots of options, and it's great. Now I might not need all of those, and I might not use all of those, but because I don't know what to expect, yeah, I'm keeping my options open. And the other thing I would like to show you is that I'm going to be taking with me also my little tripod, in case I will be able to do some recording for you guys. So this is another thing that I'm packing up. So my little tripod will help me to hold my phone in a good spot, and I can record a little video for you. It could be plein air, or it could be at where we're gonna be staying. So there it is. And where's the actual and there I've got my this one. Why it doesn't go down now? And there we go in the pouch too. And that. And I'm ready to go. Now, thank you very much for watching me, and hope that I give you a little bit of an idea what you need to do to put together quickly a few things to take with you. And I might be so you don't forget anything. If you watch the video, you will know that, oh yeah, and that, and like that, so you won't forget anything. And hopefully I will do some painting for you on this weekend, and I will upload it, so stay tuned. And yeah, if you enjoy this little video, you found it useful, don't forget to like it, and if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribe. We're gonna be doing lots of painting, talking about lots of a lot about palettes, and yeah, we're gonna be using the different mediums. So click the notification bell to get notified with each time we're uploading a video. If you see if it's in something that it interests you, the medium or the subject, you can watch it. If not, you can wait for the next one. Hope you'll have a great weekend, and see you soon at my next video. Till then, be happy, be creative, and keep painting. Bye for now.